Ipakita mo daw yung rampa mo, Emma. Namimiss namin yung rampa. Baka naman.
Ma, kung kailan wala pang makeup talaga. Kaya sabi ko,
Hindi ba kailangan yung makeup? Patingin naman yung pasarela ni Emma. Gusto nyo ba makita yung pasarela ni Emma?
Ma, wag na, kakahiya, Mama Bex. Ano naman, asa na hanap tayo Miss Universe dito? Pinasa.
Ayan na. Saan ka pa sa homecoming mo sa Pinas?
I am really excited. Kanina nga kakagaling ko lang ng TikTok live and they're asking if November 24 is the final date for my homecoming. As of now, it's the final date. Let's see if may mababago. Depends on the weather. For the location, I think it's in Makati. So, let's see. Oo.
Makasama ba yung buong Makati?
Ano lang, one street lang to.
ALB, ang isa.
Hindi ko pa yan alam. So, yung details pa lang ng date and location ang alam. So, I hope ay nandun pa rin kayo. Pag wala kayo doon, magbabayad kayo sa akin. Ha? Oo, Mama Bex. Ano po yun? Ano po yung salita? Ano yun, Ma? Hindi. Remember ano yung sinabi natin nung closed door interview? I am really ready to work with you guys. So, tatrabahuhin talaga yun natin lahat. And back in the Philippines din naman, ganun naman ginagawa natin. We're used to it because I want the everyday ay productive tayo. So, I'm happy na lagi tayong may ginagawa everyday.
O, iba ka talaga, Emma.
Laban.
That's why she is the one and only!
Magalit na yung GM. Sabi niya, labas na, Emma! Always remember, it may sound cliche, but you should just enjoy the pageant. I know there's a pressure lagi naman, no? Kapag talagang Philippine representative ka, meron talagang pressure kasi merong expectation sa'yo yung ibang tao. But remember to just enjoy because the people will see it, will feel it if you're enjoying. And if you're enjoying, the people watching you will also enjoy watching you and supporting you. So, ayun lang. And just be authentic. Kasi people will feel it if you're just pretending. Sabi ng iba, fake it till you make it. But for me, it's faith it till you make it. The stronger the faith, I think, mas malakas ang chance na nating manalo.
Coming from Emma Tigla.
The one.
Yes!
The one and only! Ayoko na nga. Maglalaba pa ako, Mama Boy.
Ay, ayoko. Nilaglaban na ako kanina. Thank you
Paglalaba ka
na.
namin.
We love you.